Okay, take 2 of this. So let's see what happens this time. Okay, start off we have the Jangklife. Say it with me, just like Blur's Part Life. Jangklife. It's a rotary tool. Think of it as a Dremel. It's about £10–15 on, yes, you've guessed it, Temu. Picked it up nearly a year ago. In fact, it was a year ago. I was looking at USB powered tools because I've got a USB power supply under the desk here, Pine Power from Pine 64, and I wanted USB tools. So I've got my screwdriver here, I've got my other Hoto screwdriver up there. They're all USB-C powered. This is USB powered. It plugs into USB socket or USB-C with this janky adapter. Don't bother with that. But it's DC jack on the back of this. So there's no battery in it. It literally just is powered by USB. So 5 volts at 2 amps is the max it draws, so 10 watts. There is your power button. So speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. If it encounters a situation where it stops, it will stall. And then when you remove what's stopping it, it goes back to normal. So I picked it up because I wanted to have USB tools in the office so I could hack around with stuff and do stuff pretty quick. And it seemed like a great idea at the time, and it still is, to be fair. So I'm going to show you what this is all about. So changing tools is easy. Just undo it, keep your finger on this little brake here, and just keep unscrewing, and you get these collets, and you get different size ones for different tools. So I'm thinking that this one should fit there. Yeah, it does. Does that fit on top of there? Ah, that's much better, Les. Well done, you idiot. Let's put this on lightly, so then I can slide this in. No, I can't. Please hold. How the hell does that go on then? Right, okay. That on. That on. I've only had this for a year. You'd expect me to know how to use it, wouldn't you? Right, there we go. That's in. I'm going to use the spanner. I think I'm the spanner, more like it, and put that on there, and let's go once again. Yeah, there we go, it's better. Let's see what happens now. Yep, we're in business. Yep, this is the YouTube entertainment you're coming here for. Les sanding his gonk. This is speed 1, it's got speed 2. Okay, that's enough gonk sanding. But there are other tools. There are little drill bits. There are more grinding pens. There are more grinding bits, like diamond coated ones. There are cutting wheels. There's down here's cutting wheels and little sanding wheels. There's little cutting wheels. Look at that. How deadly does that look? That's gonna be responsible for a lot of cut fingers. So watch yourselves. All right, please be careful. Make responsibly. And yeah, for 10–15 quid, it's been great. I've got a full-size Dremel downstairs in the toolbox. It only comes out when I really, really need it because this thing just does the job. So yeah, so if you need a cheap little Dremel type thing for your toolbox, for your maker toolbox in your office or workshop, you just need to bring out and need USB power. It'll work from a power bank as well. Jangklife has been good. Not a name I'd heard of before, and I'm not going to rush out and buy their entire range. But that's been a decent little tool for model making, 3D printing, general makery stuff. I like it. Yeah. Jangklife. USB rotary tool. I'm on QVC now, aren't I? Anyway, that's all for today. I'll see you later. Ta-da.